dragon. Ah! Oh no! Look out! The dragons!
Running away? Come on, knights! Let's catch that dragon!
Huzzah!
Huh? Must be my incredibly vivid imagination again. Oh, of course, it's just a dragon. A dragon? Run away! Ah!
Dragon sighting! There!
This way, knights! To the rescue!
Help!
Whoops! This way, knights!
What?
Huzzah! Gotcha, James. We're here to rescue you from the dragon float.
Save yourselves and... What?
Dragon captured. We were playing dragon, and he got away from us.
I see. Well, perhaps this time one of you can be the dragon and I'll be the handsome and almost unbearably charming knight.
I'll be the dragon this time.
Dragon? There's a dragon! Run away! Run away!
Whoa!
Come, Knight Kana. Let's save the kingdom from the beast!
Lead the way! Lead the way!